Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a e-signature with the help of Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that just go here to the home option and then just go here, type in signature and then just search for it and you will see many templates here. I'll just go with this free one. So click here on customize this template and this signature will open up. So just select this signature here and type in like whatever you want your signature to be. I'll just type a random name here like James. So as you can see, an e-signature with the name of James has been created here. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.